Man, if they really wanted to, then if they wanted to scream into the top of their lungs like they would have roared, I swear to God.
Right there, the wham.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. That shit was tight.
Hey, we're going back to say, at least you see something.
Mira, watch it. You're gonna see him right now.
At
Yeah.
least you see something. And I think that the fireworks are never gonna last. I mean, or last forever. 100.
Yeah.
About 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Just like 4th of July.
Wow, that's for 20 minutes straight?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How
Yeah, that's a lot of fucking fireworks.
Yeah.
How many fireworks do they have?
Thousands.
It'll be more crazy if they had billions.
Watch you go the more nicer ones. They say ones towards the end. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yep, always say the best for
The bigger, louder ones and the prettier ones.
The boys say the best for last time.
There you go. See? Damn, see how you're barely hearing them?
Yeah, you can't see it.
That's how powerful those are. Wow.
Where's the...
That's the shockwave from the things.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
Oh.
That's the shockwave, you know
I
what I mean?
don't know if you guys can hear it, but I hear the yelling though. The cheering.
That shit was tight, dude. Man, how late that shit came in. That shit's crazy. How the shockwave, that's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah. Should be right there by my brother-in-law's park on Jackson Street.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
looks like you guys should come down there next time. They come right in your face.
No shit?
I mean, it looks like 3D coming at you, but
Hell
they're not
yeah.
in your face because
That's
it's like
tight.
you're